Um, this is the first day of May 2026. Happy New Month to you guys. And right, what you're looking at is gold. Last time I posted a video some days ago, I said we're going to buy gold was going to buy up. So as you can see, this is the price action so far. And we've been by from here, from here, from here, in here. And what we have done so far is that this is a major high here. This was once protected high, and once price crossed that major high, we now have a change of guard high hand. So we're looking for potential retracement to continue the buy upward. So like before, I'll start from the daily time frame, like I did in the earlier video. You can see this is the daily time frame. I kind of customize my chart in a way that if I switch to different time frame, you have difference in appearing on the chart. So some of the things you will see, especially this entry that is here, this particular one, you will see it on the smaller time frame just to keep the chart a bit clean. That's why I did it this way. So as you can see, the buy has been for this 600. What is it called? Um, I don't know which I'm looking at. Okay, the buy, which is this one, has been for 1,000 pips. Look at this open 98. If you see here, you see 98.8 something. So it has been for 1,000 plus pips already. Let me see if we can pull this back to from where I okay you buy up to this area. But anyway, this is an area where we will consider as friends goes on. So sorry for that. Here's a motion anyway. So we're going to take it step by step, and from daily time frame, I switch to 4 hour time frame to see more things that are hitting in the chart. So you can see the entry, that particular entry of daily time frame session here on a 4 hour hourly time frame. So like I said, this is the entry, this particular one has been on for, if I pull it back a little, you see 1,000 plus, right? 1,000 plus up to this point before tracing. So anyway, in the area where we traded into is where we have an imbalance, there's a price imbalance in the hourly time frame, and just the liquidity before the imbalance is where this yellow line is, and price hit that area and tend to retrace. So we are looking at that retracement right now. So and then on the 4 hour time frame, the 4 hour time frame, the structure of 4 hour is according to 4 hour time frame. You won't say this is a pullback. This is not a pullback, because if it's a valid pullback, if you say you're going to have here as a BOS, and then that means this high of this candle, the particular high of this particular candle has to go. That means this push up here has to take out the liquidity, but on the 4 hour, it is not. It is not a high. This is not a high. It's just a internal. Everything is internal because this whole candle engulfs everything that is there. So therefore, if this movement that push price up here was not able to take out this, so you won't say this is a valid retracement before the market push down. So that is not a valid retracement. That is why the flower, any zone you draw here on a flower may likely not hold. Yes, that is why the zone here on flower may likely not hold. So market, it moves with structure. Structure has a way of interacting well. So now, if this particular area, as you can see here, if I consider this as a candle, if I consider this as a high candle, then you can see that this particular candle, this particular one went above the high of the previous candle to weaken. Therefore, you can say after breaking below here, you can say okay, that is a valid break, and this is a valid high which you can use when the market comes on a 4 hour time frame, and we use it to take entry. So that is why this one is disqualified. But on another time frame, you might find it. You might find the kind of doing exactly what I explained here that I failed to do on this 4 hour time frame. So now you can see there's a line here and written with the X marked with X. So that shows that on another time frame something happened there. So anyway, on this 4 hour, first of all, see, because we have a change of price already, we would like to look at some major things. So now this particular one, I want to make it disappear from this. So I'm going to remove the hour time frame so that it doesn't display on our time frame. You can see it's off now. So that is one way of customizing. Anything that you don't want, you can remove. Then as you can see, all this price line, these figures that you see here, these are Fibonacci tools that have. So I think I explained in the previous video. So for now, I'm going to do away with that. I'm going to delete it so that I have a clean chart. So on the forward time frame now, we want to look at the area that's still valid. If I consider this sell to buy, this particular one here, sell to buy, you will see that price have already mitigated it by this candle. So that is mitigated by area, and I'm going to limit this to show only on the hourly time frame. Only on the hourly time frame. Then if I can just clone this, lock, push it here, lift it up and down, then this is the only area that price have not come to on power. Let me see if okay, the visibility is still the same, and this is not mitigated yet. Price have not tapped it yet and go up. So I'm going to just name this my extreme zone and check again for visibility. So I would like it to appear on a daily, so I leave it so. So all this move now, either price may go up, price might go up, like maybe touch this zone, so back down to here, then before push up, or price can, from where it is right now because it's reacting to the imbalance, come back down here and push to here, maybe retrace a little and go up. So this is what I'm looking at potentially to happen. So these lines are going to leave them. I will leave them, but I'm going to limit them to want them to appear on daily. Yes, so I'll still be using the hourly time frame. I don't want so many lines. This one as well locked, and potentially leave it in my daily. So the lines are still there, but just on different time frame. I hope you understand. So even these entries that I made, I think I made these entries in a minute time frame. So I'm not supposed to be showing on all the time frame so that we make the chart a bit cleaner. So um, I made it on mini time frame. So when I go to the mini time frame, they will show just as I did with the other one. So in mini time frame, this helps to clear the chart so that you see everything very well the way they ought to be. I don't think there's any other thing. So and also we have this block here, and we also have before the block we also have this as an area of imbalance or AVG or whatever you call it. You can call it the imbalance or AVG around here. So we expect the imbalance and this block to hold. So price come here, tap in and go up. So if we're going to place a long, it's going to be, let us put this way on top of here. Then our stop just go below here. Then uh, a TP and be this very block here because price is going to most likely going to respect this hourly this 4 hour block here. So like 2 hour, and this can be refined. So um is a long position. Like I said, I want it to appear I want this one to appear yeah, in time frame. So when price comes here, I can go to lower time frame to look for confirmation. What I mean is that because we already have a shifty market structure here, once the market is coming down this way, creating lower lows, approaching my area. Once price tap into the area like this, I'll go to lower time frame. On the lower time frame, I would like to see the recent low, recent high that tap the low, and then market react from the block to take out the high like this. Then retest, I can use this to go higher. What it means that on the lower time frame, once the market have created another change of character just like this one, we now look for a box. We might One of my strategy is this: if I see a change of character on one time frame, suppose I see a change of character on 5 minutes time frame, I will go to 3 times of 5, which is 15 minutes, to look for a block. Then that block is what I now use to execute my trade. So if I find a change of character on 1 minute, I'll go to 3 times the time frame or 5 times, which is 5 minutes, to look for a block. This is the best way of the mitigation cycle. And as the market goes, so the mitigation cycle increases. So maybe in future time I will make video on that, but right now I just want to stick to what we are seeing. So uh, from here we still have a 1 hour time frame, and because of those adjustments that we did, you see that since the look cleaner, right? Yeah, it's a look cleaner. And this is the area we want to get into, and this is where we are right now. This is what is currently holding the price right now. So price, this imbalance is still holding price below the level, so therefore we can still see is sell down here to take the price higher. So now from as we go down the time frame, you can see that this area is very big. As you can see, how many, this is a 408 pips, right? 408.5 pips. You can refine it down to lower time frame. You can see When the price was initially buying, I identified this very area here. We want to see this thing that you see here is an FVG. Uh, it's an FVG fair value gap. Yeah, it's an FVG which identified a lower time frame as the price was going up. I initially thought after immediately after creation of this one price might come down immediately to want to tap here and move. So but anyway, it hasn't come yet, so you just have to wait patiently for it to come. So I think this is messing up my chart anyway. I would want to limit it to hourly time frame. So we just be there on the hourly time frame. And also you can set an alarm around this area. When price come here, you get notified so that you will now get to prepare yourself to take the trades. So now from there we go to 15-minute time frame, and my 15-minute time frame is CC. The market right now is still under this area, but this is the last low, and it's kind of form of creating higher highs. Um, it appears the price have just mitigated this area because um, this one here appears to be a sweep in price, a liquidity sweep somewhat. That appears to be a sweep by some margin. If that is the pips, then this is a strong high, another strong high here like this. A strong sometimes they include this whole candle here, buy to sell, and price have mitigated the area right now, so you might see itself back down. So or because we're just going to leave that for now. So you can see I switched to the mini time frame, and all those entries, all of them, they started showing. They started showing back. So we're still looking, and this is the area we said we were looking for potential buys up, and we mark this as well. So I would love to switch to hourly time frame and bring this block. The block is right there, so that we don't miss it when the market come. Put it on mini time frame and save it, then go back to the mini time frame, and now it's not showing. So this is a potential order flow from this high to this low. Box out is another flow. So you see on another flow it's on time frame, is an OB is on imagine in higher time frame this is another block, but in lower time frame this is an order flow. It's the V-shaped reaction. So within this area we will look for an entry to go higher. Then there was something I eliminated from the chart at that time, which is the fair value gap. I may want to find it back and bring it back. I don't know which time frame it is anymore. Sure, I adjusted the mini time frame. I couldn't find it. Did I erase it? Yeah. Yeah, there is something very important. Okay, here. This here. Um. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So this is it. So around this area is where price will come to. Um. Before we see buy a strong buy up. So now we're waiting to go higher. So These are all the entries. So when I'll quickly just go to my Telegram group and show the entries which I posted there as price was moving from here. Um, okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. So I think yeah. Okay, so this was the last time I said okay let's go this so and after that time market sold to the area and here what's you can see underneath here this was on the 29th around 15 something. I said okay market I got a lot that market of which my buys on and as then I started executing. So look at all the I posted this and I posted this range from here to here about 715 pips. To buy begins, so that was it. I started buying, and these are all the entries you can see. So everything is pretty straightforward. Someone else posted on the group as well. So if you know how to analyze, you can post your chart and we all understand this together. So that is everything. You can see all the calls, everything there made in the group. So for now, I'm gonna end the video here. Bye bye. See you probably next week because today is more like a weekend. Bye.